everyone, good morning. It's Tiffany. Welcome back. So this morning I'm on with a quick haul video. I don't usually do a whole lot of haul videos, but this one is special because I wanted to give a shout out to Anna, who owns My Crafting World Designs. I recently made a purchase from her and there was a slight issue with my order, nothing huge. It was just one die was missing, and so I contacted Anna via email and she responded right away, and she sent out my missing cutting die like the next day, and she also sent me a gift, and so I thought that was so sweet and thoughtful, and her customer service is amazing. So again, I just wanted to do this quick haul video and share and give her store a quick shout out. So um, this is what I purchased from her, and let me just go through everything really quick. I know there's kind of a glare because of these packages, I'm sorry. But let's see here. So this is the first one, and this one is called Crafting Words. And she has different sets. I believe she has 3 sets of crafting word dies. And I have a complete set because I had 2 of them, and this was the one I was missing because she was out of stock for a while. And so she does have them in stock now, I believe. And so let me just go over the words really quick. So this one says ephemera, scraps, and this one says die cuts, so you can put that together because it's separate. Stamps, this one says cutting, and then another die here, so cutting die, and then pocket. So these are really fun. So that's the first set. And for this set, this was the one that I was missing a set because I purchased 2 flower dies. I like purchasing multiple just so that it'll make it quicker for me when I, do my die cutting for my flowers, because how we crafters do it. We like to do multiple at a time. And so it's just easier if I can run, this set instead of running just one set like multiple times. This cuts it down in half. And so this is her small flower with leaves. And I really like the detail on the flower here. You can see all the veins on the flower and then here on the leaves. Super cute. So because she had to send me the one I was missing, she went ahead and sent me this, which was so sweet. And this is her birthday shaker plates. Designer is Nicole Silhouette. And here she says a free gift for you, a free gift for you. And here the first plate has notes, music notes. This one here has party hats. This one has heart balloons. And that one is like the, I think it's called like a streamer, the one that you blow and it unravels and then it curls back up. So yeah, really cute. I love that. Thank you so much, Anna, for that gift. I really appreciate it. And so this was the one I was originally, why I originally went to her site is to get this domed cup carrier. This is her smaller one. I believe this is an 8 or 9 ounce cup carrier. I know she just came out with a bigger one. I think it's a 12 ounce. But I saw this. One of my crafty friends made the. I saw this finished. This die was finished, and she had some things in there, some goodies. It was for a swap, and so I thought, oh my gosh, I saw this die. I didn't think I needed it, but I do, and so I purchased it. And I can't wait to use this. I have ideas. My husband, he has 37 residents that he's in charge of, and so this is what I'm going to make them. I told him I'm going to use this and I'm going to make them each like a little goodie bag with some chocolates in there. And so he said that's a good idea. So yeah, so I'll show in another video once it's completed, because I have to make this into I'm going to make it into a Halloween themed. I did put away all my Halloween supplies, but I do keep my dies. My dies are always in my craft room with me, all my dies, and my paper collections are always in my craft room. It's just like the other supplies, the things we buy from not Hobby Lobby, but Dollar Tree or Michael's, Joann's, online shops, all the little trims and everything. That's what I have put in bins, and I store that away. But for this cup carrier. These are the cups here. These are from Amazon. So my crafty friend who, I saw her completed project. She told me that she had tried several cups on Amazon and they didn't work. So finally, her last attempt or third or fourth attempt, I don't remember, she tried these cups and they fit perfect. And so she gave me the link and I purchased them. I haven't tried it yet, but I trust her. And so if you do have this die or you're planning to get this cutting die from Anna, I'll link these cups down below so you don't go through the same issues that my crafty friend had. Even though she said she had problems because even though the cup it says 8 ounces, but they're all shaped different. Like at the top, like the 8 ounces, like the width and everything, the circumference of the cup, depending on the manufacturer, was all different. So she said this specific one fits perfectly into this groove right here, to house the cup. So again, I will share my finished project. I'm going to work on that right after I upload this video. But again, thank you, Anna. I'm going to link her shop down below. I don't have a coupon code or anything because I'm not one of her designers, but I did want to go ahead and support her shop, and I will also link her channel down below. And I believe she's on Instagram too, so I'll link all her info down below for you all. So I hope you all have a happy Tuesday, happy crafting, and I will be back soon. Bye.